But before I talk about the technology we are using in CFM, my background, Mr. Huwani, we know each other for last 30 years, has been in a maintenance industry in the railway. So I still hammering that the railway incidents, in particular derailments, is always coming in the quality of the maintenance we are doing. My friend from TFL said that, well, one line transport 200 million, so you can compare. The technology in place teaches if in one line pass how many millions tons, what is the activity need to be done before the problem starts? You need to tamp, you need to look after your calves, you need to go to your rolling stock, look them, how many kilometers they run, anticipate the problems. I think this is very important in our railway industry. Four, I think so we start in 2012 in CFM, implementing STC, satellite traffic control. We implement first in Beira, then we move in Maputo, where all the trains movement, the human being is being removed. Everything now is under central control, where the trains are controlled. And we can see in real time where are the trains. So all the paperwork in our system now is not being more used for trains operations. Because if the human error comes in our, the disaster are higher. But today, using this technology, we are preventing it. Now we are moving from STC to 4G LTE technology. We started from Resano Gracia. I think so the commission will be in weeks' time. And then we move it to Goba, then we move it to Beira also, to implement the same technology, where in all the stations we have video surveillance. In our stockyards where we put our material, as I mentioned, that also the theft occur in this stockyard. Everything is surveilled. We have a video everywhere, cameras. In our locomotive, I don't know if another railway administration, they have same problem, but we have in some corridors where the troop stands in the bush and starts selling the diesel. I don't know, but we used to have that. All our trains are monitored. You have a camera. Even in the cabin, driver cabin, we have a camera where we can download and see what was the behavior of our driver, what was the during his journey, what was the behavior, how he drive the train, how, and okay, he cannot even pass where the speed limit is there, because the system itself, he cannot allow that. Thank you very much.